Hey, Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning. We are working on a beautiful Sunday afternoon back at the RV place. Let's take a look at what we're going to be cleaning here. We are going to be cleaning up this Itasca. We'll go inside. We're pretty much going to be doing the full gamut in here as far as all of the carpeting and upholstery. And so coming in, this dark beige carpeting is really ideal in a motorhome situation because it hides the dust so well. So you got to be careful because there could be a lot of dirt in here, but it hides stuff very well. So when it does clean it up, it always looks really, really good. And it'll go from this dingy beige to like a bright beige once we get done cleaning. And we are going to go over all of the upholstery here. So what we do in a scenario like this is very much similar to cleaning in residential using a three-phase system. However, when we are dealing with motorhomes, generally we skip the vacuum unless it's really necessary. And in this case, down there looks like there's some debris. We'll just pick that up with our hose as we're going along. But we're going to put down our... I really, really like the... well, I love the commercial magic in motorhomes and stuff because when you're dealing with synthetic carpets, the commercial magic is an excellent kind of a high pH cleaner that really breaks down that water tension that you get when dealing with plastics and things like that like to hold on to oils and grease. However, the peroxide sodium carbonate combo has worked absolutely awesome in motorhomes as well. I've been using that and have really appreciated the results that I got off of it. So because this doesn't have significant amounts of spots all over the place that we can actually see and say, hey, other than a clean, we really need to kind of be real cautious and get all these spotting and stuff out of here. We're probably just going to use the sodium carbonate and peroxide because it's a little bit more cost effective in the long run, and it's excellent that I know the peroxide and sodium carbonate combo is very green, clean solution as well as sanitizing and neutralizing everything. So that's what we're going to go with.